નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead in the lesson number 22, figures of speech. Here we'll move ahead with the oxymoron. What is here with the oxymoron? That is important for you. When I'll teach these figures of speech, somewhere else you will have confusion with the idea of this. Why is it so? Due to the reason, and that reason is what? It is very near to another figures of speech. So that initially only I have written this figures of speech is a subcategory of antithesis. Part, subpart. With the same idea, when you are using total opposite words, that is antithesis. आगे दुख तो पीछे सुख है. We have completed that in antithesis. Here, there also one more examples I had given to you. He is regularly, irregularly. Regular, irregular. Two opposite words are there with a single common matter. Here, may be possible the same thing can be told, but the main thing is what? If it is told here in a lucid way, the meaning would be harsh. If it is told in a harsh way, meaning would be lucid. Quite opposite. Here an idea is explained as if it is praiseworthy, but in fact it would not be. If I praise someone, that will not be the praise. If I abuse someone, that will not be his or her abuse. What you speak opposite to that, total target meaning will come out. And that is oxymoron. That is oxymoron. You see here, thus an idea can be with two words, each other antonyms, but if it runs side by side through two different object or objects, it is oxymoron. What is there with the oxymoron? Think it. Oxymoron is equal to two different words, and these two different words may be opposite, may move parallel, may work parallel, but if it is used for the praise, target meaning would be abuse. If it is used for abusing someone, target meaning would be praise. This is the shortcut key of identifying oxymoron. Last time also I had given this example to you. It is regularly, irregularly. First of all, here I have used regularly, and next to that I have used opposite word of that. With speaking regularly, I have abused him with the word irregular. He is stern behavior, made all free from tension. Here I have made his stern behavior, but this stern behavior is good vice versa, because all became free from tension. Somewhere else I have made here abusing, the total target meaning will come out with the praise. If it is with the praise, it will come out with abusing someone like this. In this way, this figures of speech is used here with the identity oxymoron. Once again, you will feel like this, that what I told to you in antithesis, the same thing is here, but this is the shortcut key With praise you will abuse someone, with abuse you will praise someone. Bas, this is the best shortcut key for figures of speech oxymoron. Got the idea? So far as Hindi songs are concerned, one little bit old one song I'll tell you. गोरी तेरा गांव बड़ा प्यारा. If गांव, village is really lovable, next line is what? मैं तो गया मारा. Then how it can be possible? मैं तो गया मारा is I am captured over there. मैं तो गया मारा is for abusing the village. But the real sense, if you will think for that the entire village was so beautiful, that you will come to know. मैं तो गया मारा कहाँ गाँव में. It is abusing to the village. But the entire meaning, if you will think in detail, you will come to know that village is entirely beautiful and I am captured in that village. So that song, that line, गोरी तेरा गाँव बड़ा प्यारा मैं तो गया मारा, is the best example for oxymoron. One more. This is the poem line for 9th standard. One poem is there. It is for the wind. He is equal to wind. Wind is very good and mighty. Those who are mighty, strong, he is very good. Hence it is proved that he is not good with the weak people, with the big trees, with the big buildings. Here it is praised, he is very good at mighty. If you will think in detail, wind is not good for the weak people, those who are not strong. So that this line is what? This line is also best example for oxymoron. So many songs, so many wordings, so many poems you will find where it is written always, always, always somewhere else with the oxymoron. Got the idea? Let's move ahead for a few more examples. This idea clearly confused me. You see here, this idea clearly, it indicates neat and clean, but the next word when you will think for it confused me. This idea really confused me. It means I could not understand it. It means this idea is not up to the level. Here what is written with the lucid word, that lucid words is indicating for abusing. Next to that, this figure of speech is the best for mind. This is best for mind. You will feel, oh, fantastic. Ultimately, you will come to know that best for the mind is equal to for mind exercise. Best for mind is equal to mind exercise. And mind exercise means what? Not easy to understand. What is written here? This figure of speech is the best for mind. For mind is equal to mind exercise. Mind exercise for best is for the mind exercise. It means what? It is not at all easy to understand in a easy way, in a first attempt. What is told to you, that is quite different. What is the target meaning of the sentence is quite different. And so that only it is the subcategory of antithesis. Got the idea? Next to that, your arrival was enough to close the program. How important you are. How important you are. Your arrival was enough to close the program. You see, hence it is proved that you are an antisocial. To close the program or to close the talk, it means you are my enemy. So that what is told to you, that you will analyze in such a way that it leads you towards the real meaning or another meaning. Best characteristic for the oxymoron, once again I tell you, with the shortcut, if it is abused, it is for the praise. If it is praised, it is for the abuse. Got the idea? Think for your textbook some examples. These examples are very near to your textbook examples. Check your textbook examples. Try to analyze it. Try to judge the real meaning, whether it is used for abusing or it is used for praising. Ultimately, you will come to know these figures of speech and characteristic of these figures of speech. If you can't understand anything else in this regard, just you can ask me in 10. Okay? Thanks a lot. Thanks to you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.